So we're gonna put this side on the rug, this side on the floor, and it tells you, which is very helpful. So you're gonna unpeel. I like to put it on the rug first and then peel it to put it on the floor. And you wanna put it on the edge like this so that it stays in place. Unpeel it. Pretty easy to unpeel, like that. Then you're gonna press it in so it's nice and firm.
If you're tired of your rugs constantly slipping, bunching up, or becoming a tripping hazard, these rug tape grippers are a total game changer. I got the 12-piece set, so it would give me a total of 3 rugs to put these under, and they are strong double-sided adhesive that keeps your rug securely in place, perfect for hardwood floors. They're reusable, easy to apply, and leave no sticky residue. Whether it's in the living room, hallway, or kids' room, your rug stays flat, safe, and exactly where they belong. Say goodbye to slipping rugs and hello to a cleaner, safer home. Totally recommend it.